morning, good morning. Today is a bit cloudy but really hot. I can feel the heat from the morning. It's 9 a.m. Nobody's awake now, but we are ordering some smoothie bowl. By the way, we are going to see two secret beaches today. Hopefully these beaches will be better than here because I want to really swim in the deep sea. Here the sea, as you know from yesterday, is a bit shallow. You need to swim 2 kilometers away to find the proper 1 meter sea here, an ocean here actually. Look at this clouds, it's really cloudy. But we are having breakfast at the moment. I ordered smoothie bowl with tropical fruits and iced coffee. I really need iced coffee. So hot, really. I'm sweating from now. It's morning, isn't it? But you can feel the tropical weather here, which is nice. This is what we need, isn't it? London is so dark, and London is too dark, and we need some proper summer heat here. This is what we are getting at the moment. Let's get our breakfast. Beautiful. Thank you. Wow. This is my iced coffee. This is my smoothie bowl with fruits. I love banana, I love mango, so it's a dream. Today is our second day here at Sarana Bungalows on the beautiful island of Koh Phangan, and we are already in love with this place. The food options here is really amazing. You can choose from tasty Thai dishes or more familiar Western options, and everything we have tried so far here been amazing, especially the breakfast bowls. This resort is right on the beach in Bantai with a stunning infinity pool that overlooks the ocean. It's honestly the perfect spot to relax. They have also got a yoga hall, free stand-up paddle boards, and even unlimited water refills, which is super convenient, especially in this heat. Now we are off to explore more of the islands. Let's go! We are going to Secret Beach with this car. Look at that. This is our car for today. We are at the secret beach at the moment. I will see if it's secret or not. I'm so excited! Nice! Look at this view. Woo! Woohoo! Little souvenirs. Okay, we arrived to paradise. Oh my! Look at this colors. Wow! Woo! Nice. Beautiful. Really, I like it. I like being here. I couldn't be any happier. Look at this. Look at this beautiful beach. Oh, I feel lucky. Really, I feel lucky today. I like it. I like the sea. I like the weather. I like the sun. Sun has came out. We can get tan. We can get tan a little bit here. Have you ever seen any big shell like this? It's more than 2.5 kilograms. Oh my god, I brought it from the maybe 3 meters deep, but it's going back because it's belong to the nature. Oh, look at this. We just came here to have some drinks from the secret beach. This is Koh Phangan. The view is spectacular. This place decoration is insanely good, so beautiful. Everything is from the beach. There are beautiful big seashells here. Look at that. Look at this big shells. I found one of them while I'm swimming, and you can see here is a bit deep. You can see from here the sea is a bit deep. It's beautiful area for snorkeling, of course. But I love this place decoration, guys. This Koh Phangan is really good. They did a very good job. I ordered coconut. It was my first time drinking fresh coconut, and it was so delicious. They put some spoon with it, and I dig them, really. It was beautiful. Yeah, after this place, we are going to see a waterfall, and after waterfall, we are having our lunch around here. Oh my, I want to stay here and have my lunch here, really. We came to see this beautiful waterfall, and we are having lunch here. The lunch is already prepared for us, and from here we will head to another beach. Let's see what we are having for lunch today. Beautiful. Not that bad. Woo.
And then you can go up around back here. To get to the...
Woo. This beautiful area. Woo. Hey girl.
Yeah!
Hey.
Oh, I'm trying to start her phone.
sun is out. Finally. We are at another beach, but I don't know this beach name. Anyway. Photo challenge!
Yeah. Here's here.
Okay.
Underneath here.
Which one is my beer? Oh, cheers! Do cheers! Oh, look how shallow is it. Oh my. Woo! Yeah, the girls are going. There's a photo challenge in our group and everyone is taking funny videos and pictures. Look at this. Oh, finally sun is out. I want to show you how shallow is this sea. Yes. To the viewpoint. Woo! Oh my! Woo! I'm learning how can I say this a beautiful place name, but we are at the Koh Phangan viewpoint actually. This is epic. Look at that, at Pichada actually. The view is spectacular, amazing. We will be experiencing a bit time here and we ordered some food. I ordered passion fruit, mojito here because our beautiful guide said this is the most famous drink here to have. Yeah, everyone's enjoying the view, so peaceful. Oh my, can you hear the beautiful bird's voice? I don't know which bird is that, but this is quite traditional. This is very special for this area. Yeah, I will have my mojito here and then relax a little bit. Do you want to chase the camera? That would look cool. Ready? I'm coming. We just came to our hotel. We just came to our bungalows and we are having a barbecue party tonight. Look at that. They are preparing our barbecues. Oh, sunset is looking beautiful. We saw amazing beaches today. But now I want to have a little bit sunbath on the beach and I will come back here at 7:30 to eat beautiful Thai food on the beach tonight. Oh, I can't wait. Let's see how is it going with the barbecues. I can see they are fired the barbecue up and our seats are ready. Nice. The sunset is gonna be amazing because yesterday we had a cloudy day, but today the sunset is looking clear we will gonna have amazing sunset today. Hello, hello, hello from tonight. We're having a barbecue at the beach. Look at that. How luxurious it looks. Oh, everything is ready. They were preparing everything since 5:30. Wow, it's gonna be an amazing dinner tonight, I think. And it smells nice. It smells nice. Let's see what we are having tonight in the dinner after. Actually, after dinner, after barbecue party, we are heading down to the beach side because we couldn't see the moon party yesterday. There was an emergency, something like this, and we are seeing the beach party tonight. I'm very excited about it. Really, we are going really at midnight to see this beautiful party. I will be sharing everything about it over there. As you know, as I told you before, Koh Phangan is so famous with their full moon parties, and people are coming here like crazy. They said today, if you come here on the actual full moon party, there's no full moon because this is going to be a little bit quieter. If you come here on full moon party, they said it's impossible to walk around, find your friends, like, and so dangerous as well because everyone would be drinking, everyone would be on drug situation is a different situation here because everywhere selling the weeds here. It's like not legal, but look like legal as well. Everyone is smoking here as normal, like normal cigarettes. And yeah, it would be so dangerous on the real full moon party, but next time if I can come here again, I will definitely experience that as well. Let's see what we are eating tonight. Wow. Woohoo.
I'm so hungry.